Hi everyone, I'm Katie, an infant toddler Montessori teacher and registered early childhood educator. Today I'm going to share a really fun and easy to set up science experiment where all you need is a balloon and some Kleenex, or you could also use some tissue paper. So we're going to explore static electricity. So what I've done is I've just taken a Kleenex and I've cut it out into a little bird. I also have a spider here, but you can use whatever shape that you would like. So static electricity, we're going to do it on our heads. You can also do it on the carpet, but the head is more fun. So rub the balloon on your head or on your child's head. Don't mind my hair. And then we're gonna pick up the tissue. You can see it working right away. It picks up the bird. You can fly it around and see how well the tissue sticks to the balloon. Let's see if we still got some for the spider here. Yep, there we go. So you can also pick up the spider. And then this one is made out of tissue paper. I just did a simple heart. So like I said, you can use whichever shape you like. And we'll see. Oh, we gotta do it again. And there we go. And then pick up the heart. So this is really fun because it has an effect right away and it's pretty easy to do. And then afterwards you have a fun balloon to play with. So exploring static electricity with either some Kleenex or some tissue paper and a balloon. If you like these science experiments, please check out our blog post, 5 Science Experiments for Toddlers. I will link to it in the description below. Bye! Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, it really helps our channel if you like and subscribe. This helps other parents to find our channel. And if you have a question, feel free to comment your question below and we'll answer it in a future video. Take care. Bye!